Haga khatledari uni ubnai ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society dapat man go ya ke integrated STI HIV TB and hepatitis campaign ha district prison and correctional home Jowai hewa ODC ke West Giant Hill district UBS Soli ya da manoka mukongsan. Hachwa sedang isli yek wechak set hagani katau the M ke yalang watbian wada pelai da AM lanong deputy director mainstreaming na ke MACS. Ka Dr. B. De Rose project director ke MACS hawe ye kelam da ongo wani liang ke yung krek kam yang ka chirup wa ke NACO da wan ki wole ye kites yung kini ki kejut ki wapor parabru da ongo wan rup hau persen ki yo ye kini ki kejut ha ke jela wan ki na East West Giant Hill district. UBS so liya hawe ye kelam da yaro ya ke MACS ko da krek chitom na duk ki por na chwa wa ye khun ye ke kejut HIV AIDS wai kam tam wada penman go yak iya kop tem sur open sngau tho paj ba hajrong kani ka HIV dong wa em kam wa khan ru khan nya ngut ki wa chak set hakani ka thau ki wa em HIV AIDS chwa wa chak set ki wai em kam wa kure chitom bha wa like kini ka kejut upor hejo ipor ongu wa kam wada le ha East Giant Hills da sedang wa budin ya ki wa em yong ni kujut khnyang wa test ya ki wa hayung yong ki ko wa seriem wa ka contact tracing hey por wa em ka klam covid khat khande kiwi ki wada klam hagani ka singi to VDS Rambai additional superintendent of police West Giant Hill district yu kandi awaman superintendent district jail and correctional home Jowai
tiane bor unu banyada unu balun yabit ya kani ya ni naka HIV dengan kai naka por dia le van test di naka yang health department dengan kai ikut yang sutui lalu di bakai ini HIV dengan menurut kaman batai yang ini pada ya apa HIV dengan subuh begitu pada marba kata dengan shop ni pan itu di sebenarnya marba dalam dulu ya kan nyomon badan yang ini HIV sah ni apa kita correctional home di biar ya kan menjadi penyadan begitu dia itu nanti pada jadi memang ini tempat dengan bu pada kata ingin tahu very clear maka mengalami bahawa satu kerja yo yang ini kontak ini HIV di hapoh shua begin arrest in come here and DPs and we convict or they contact if that is the case then adequate and prompt and active measures we look into that aspect. That is very crucial because it's contained, it's easier. Kumpakalong dhagani sa East Giant Hills, counterpart jaga kuli Avilash, DC, there no, madon ko yung program yun ilan kamangin pagda push kata at that level, bukhat ka to trace to bring back the missing link. Marba, people living with AIDS, HIV, some of them have treatment, they're undergoing treatment, then they disappear. Then hijab. They have a poor hijab, but don't look at the don't make chance, but don't make hijab, but the Saprian dia sementara bidang ile kembang ile macam COVID contact tracing. I would urge here also we shall start this program as soon as possible in West Giant Hill. Doctor concerned, we shall have a meeting regarding this and we shall have an in-depth analysis on this subject and we shall, like from time to time that we always do, and we shall bring back these HIV apart from, the inmates are contained here, they can be handled, but we're talking about people out there. They are there, and we have to bring them back to the fold for their treatment and to contain the spread of HIV, especially the other communicable diseases, like I've been told, like TB, syphilis, etc. I suppose they are not. They can be treated. They can be cured. They can be cured actually. That is the word. So I wish that Max and Health Department and endemic, it spreads. So we shall keep that in mind, and soon, maybe just before the Independence Day, we will have an in-depth analysis of this and tackle it where the problem lies.
Tingi naga yang jang ka office jang ka Bengali is control society. Ni wan hang ni ba tray lengkap ka national is control organization ka bahab po jang ka ministry jang ka health and family welfare jang ka sarkar India. Tingi wan ban ai ni ka test mo na mataban screen ni jengpang HIV ka jengpang syphilis, nang ta kajingpang TB, nang ta rubat kajingpang hepatitis. Kabakam sejauh kenrai apa yang diberi besong jan kemudian besong lang mafihan ni. The Meghalaya is also one of the states in India with a high HIV prevalence. The adult prevalence rate of the state is 0.39%, which is higher than the national average, which stands at 0.1%. While many of the states in the country are on a decreasing trend of new HIV infection, the state is on the increasing trend. We are number 2 in the country with the increasing rise of new HIV infection. We are just next to Tripura, which is the highest. So out of the 12 districts in the state, the high prevalent districts are in Jaintia and West Jaintia. About 60% of the cases are coming only from these 2 districts. The kani kajingpang HIV, the kam kenlay, hakani kajala jami jam Meghalaya, badhan ni Meghalaya ni don ni kampun kajing don jadi break bapang kani kajingpang ban ya kaba don hakani region ni barakoi. Long kampun ni kena ke percentage mo jundan iway na kispa jom ni hang ni ka kampun bani ka jundan jom kari India. Tingi pat kiway ki jala ke bahab hang ni hang kari jom ni hang ni bo India kila lang kam hiar ka jing kiu jong ki kes ke bawan mai ni. Ti ka ba ni pa dia ka ni jala Meghalaya ni dang kiu ka jundan jom ka ni ka jingpang. Ti kata ka de ba na pa ni jong ki jala ni jong ki district mo badan ni pojlaj ni dakharan ni district the district is Jaintia but West Jaintia di ba kampun ke ni jingpang pat kumbang lupo na ki spa jong ki nampang ki badan ka jilla jong ni ki dei na ki ki after di district